Hey everybody, Big Toad here. I'm back with another 2D game in Unreal Engine 5. And this is video number 17, and we're going to work on putting a texture on our coin chest and toll booth we made in the last video. Alright, stay tuned and we'll get right to it. So right now our chest and our toll booth are just simple figures. We've got the chest looking like a little square, and we've got the toll booth showing up like a circle. And we were able to test out the functionality there and prove that it worked. Now we can go out and find some nice textures to put on those to make them look nice in our game. Kill this game and let's go find something. We can go up to Windows, click on Windows, and open up the Quixel Bridge. And I had previously gone out and found this nice treasure chest I could use, a small wooden chest. So I downloaded that and clicked add and dropped it right into Unreal Engine 5 and my game so I could use it. I've also done a little browsing around in here and I found an item called Beehive, and there's several of them, but I found one that I thought would make a good toll booth. So I'm going to download that and add it to my game. Now that's all we'll need out of Quixel Bridge, so we'll close that and go back into the game. Now I already did the same process with the chest, so just follow along as I do it now with the toll booth. Now open up the toll booth blueprint, and we're going to go into the static mesh. And over in the static mesh on the details side, we're going to go into static mesh and we're going to search on Beehive, and we will select that. In the viewport, you should see something like this where the beehive is inside the sphere. Now we're going to increase the size on all those scales to 4.0. Now we'll go back over on the left side and click on sphere, and then we can go to the details on the right. And let's scroll down on the details and find hidden in game and click that checkbox. We can compile and minimize this and run the game and see what our toll booth and our chest look like. Alright, we're in the game. Let's run our character over and pick up some coins. There's a chest, it disappears. And see the next chest. Okay, it added 3, it's working. The next chest added several. Now let's run back the other direction. Another coin and another chest and another coin will give us 18, and another coin 18. Now our toll booths, we got several, 1, and we click them and they go away. And they're dropping off. Now they're up in the air a little bit, but we can adjust that from inside our level view. But first, open the toll booth blueprint. I also want to reduce the size a little bit, so we'll go out to the static mesh and let's drop those to 3 maybe. I'm going to set them at 2. Let's close that and go into our level view and adjust the level of our toll booths so they sit better on the ground. I'm going to change views here to perspective so I can get a better perspective on what I'm looking at. Let me slide down to the left. Okay, there we go. Now I'll grab those and just slide them down. Get them about level so they look good. Now I've got way too many booths in here for now. I'm just testing this right now. I'm not going to have this many on a level. Alright, that should do it. Let's run this game. Let's go over and pick up some coins and some chests. Jump into the boxes. And another chest. And another coin. Let's run back now. Go through some coins and chests and then hit those toll booths. That was 3 in that chest. Alright, now we have 20, so that's a toll booth. Ah, that's a good size for a toll booth. Yeah, I like it. Doesn't feel too large. So that's what we did. So I did the same process with my chest as I did with my toll booth, other than I used a different texture. I used a chest texture, and I sized it a little differently. And like I said, you're going to have to mess around with these sizes in your game a little bit to make them fit the world environment you're in. But the Quixel Bridge and the Marketplace is a good place to get these 3D assets you can put in the game, and you can use them in 2D world as well. So that's what I wanted to accomplish in this video, show you how to put those static meshes, get those textures in there to take those ugly little boxes and spheres and turn them into something useful. And you can see why testing them with just the white box and the white round circle get you started and get you going, and you can focus on making it work, and then you bring in a texture. Pretty easy to do. You just follow those simple instructions. I hope you learned something. I hope you got yours working, and I hope you'll join me for the next video. This is the Big Toad, and I am out.